how to connect Wix to Square. What I've done is I've just logged into my Wix account, and from the left hand side we want to scroll down until we see the option for settings. Click on settings. Now right here we will select accept payments, and then it's going to load up a list of different payment methods. So scroll all the way down. Because Square is not on this list, we want to click see more payment options, and again we will scroll all the way down because Square is not on this list either, and where it says third-party credit or debit card providers, we will select see options. Now Square should be right here in the third slot. Just click on connect, and it's going to show me this because I already have Wix payments enabled. I'll just click on yes, switch, and it's going to look like this. We will have the connect button right here at the bottom, and it will show us or take us to the Square login page. Once we have logged into Square, then it will automatically connect it to our Wix account. If we have previously added Wix payments to our account, we will need to select a reason for discontinuing Wix payments, and that will enable us to click on connect. And like I said, it will refer us to the Square login page here, and we can just log into Square, and this is going to add it as a payment method on our Wix website. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.